Also tonight, a busy first day of testimony in the trial of former Portsmouth police officer Stephen Rankin. Just some of the witness list called today: a 911 dispatcher, an officer who responded to the Frederick Boulevard Walmart where William Chapman was shot, the medical examiner, and a ballistics expert. Along with it, testimony difficult for family members of Chapman to see or hear. 10 on your side's Deanna LeBlanc has the latest for us live. Deanna?
Yeah, Chris, Commonwealth's attorney Stephanie Morales did not wrap up testimony today, but she did begin to lay out her case that Rankin was not in fear when he fired those fatal shots at William Chapman.
1 shot fired, suspect down.
911 audio, one of the first pieces of evidence Commonwealth's attorney Stephanie Morales entered today.
William Chapman had no drugs in his system. That William Chapman had no alcohol in his system. You will learn from our evidence that 18-year-old William Chapman was unarmed during the course of this incident.
Morales' witnesses include the medical examiner and a ballistics expert. Both testify they did not find any gunshot residue on Chapman's clothes or his body.
Did you observe any evidence of close-range gunfire on his clothes?
Hinting that Rankin stood at a distance when he fired. Chapman's bloody sweatshirt on display for the court. But on cross, defense attorney James Broccoletti gets the expert to say she did not find anything at all that was conclusive, trying to weaken her testimony.
Try as hard as you can and to perform every test that you possibly can, and as scientific as the Department of Forensic Sciences are and as good as you are, still really doesn't come up with anything, does it?
An eyewitness for the Commonwealth, a woman parked in that Walmart parking lot, says Chapman had his hands up, displaying them to Rankin before Rankin fired. The defense's narrative: Rankin followed protocol when tasing didn't work.
Man, he draws his service revolver. He points his service revolver. Get on the ground. He doesn't want to shoot. He doesn't want to kill. But he has no choice.
And tomorrow we expect the judge and attorneys and the jury to take a trip to that Walmart on Frederick Boulevard. Commonwealth's attorney Stephanie Morales wants the jury to see the site of that incident for themselves. They have not scheduled the time for that. Of course, count on us to be in court tomorrow to bring you all the latest updates. Live in Portsmouth, I'm Deanna LeBlanc. 10 on your side.
Thank you, Deanna. And of course, Wavy.com has everything you need to know about the Rankin murder trial. While the trial is going on, we are in the courtroom, live streaming every moment we're allowed by the court. We'll also have a look back at the case from the beginning attached to today's story.